Hey guys, One Veracity here, and today is a very special day. 1 year ago today, I got both my Yeezys and I did my very first video on YouTube. So as of today, I've been on YouTube for 1 year and I've gotten 3,245 subscribers. And to achieve that many subscribers in such a short time is just, it's so amazing to me, and I appreciate all you guys' support so much. So I just wanted to make a video today thanking you guys for your support, and I want to do a little something special by showing one of the most talked about things in all of my videos was my Louis Vuitton t-shirt. Everyone always asks me about it, everyone always comments on it, so I wanted to give a little background and a little information on it. Pretty much this is the Stephen Sprouse collaboration t-shirt with Louis Vuitton. He was a graffiti artist, very famous, and sadly he's passed now, but they did this collaboration to honor him. They transformed their store in Soho with his artwork on the walls and everything, and it was a really cool store to see when it was all made up like that. I got this shirt in 2009 in April from the Louis Vuitton store on Rodeo Drive. It is sadly sold out there now, and this black and pink colorway is almost impossible to find. So to everyone asking, I'm sorry I will not be selling mine, and I do not know where you can find one of these shirts. The collaboration was very limited, and they're sold out in the black and pink, the black and green models, and I think the black and white models most everywhere. So if you can find one of these shirts anywhere, I recommend you buy it the second you see it, because you will not see it there again. So this has been an amazing year. I've met so many cool people because of this, and I'll be doing this for as long as I can see in the future. So thank you guys very much, and to another year.